monitoring as well.
Plug into the existing networks. There's already a huge infrastructure, offline, online, that exists, which must tie into the existing policies and the policy making. We have a lot of policies, but we need to make sure they're implemented and correctly.
By developing the right policies, that means that the implementation will create that long-term commitment that as stakeholders we can bring in.
I think policies and all this anti-discrimination are about balance and not necessarily about tipping the scale for one or the other.
Initially, we used to dump waste all over. So we had first to come up with a common ground, come up with an umbrella of all these waste pickers, speak in one policy. So that when it comes to implementation process, it becomes easier.
We want to reuse and rethink.
We want to drive circularity forward, to have circular economy innovations in Nairobi that tackle different problems that we see here, different challenges. So we want to support new ideas, we want to support entrepreneurs, companies that have already been working in this space to grow, to become even better in what they're doing, and to have a climate positive impact.
The end goal at the end of it all is to create a closed loop of how we're trying to recycle.
So far I'm very impressed by the program and also how in general everything is managed in the right way. It's a really great opportunity to bring all the people, different organizations, all the stakeholders that they are working on circular economy, this important topic for managing climate change, all together in one place to share their needs, to talk with each other and to motivate to collaborate with each other.
Our experience with the program so far has been exciting. We've learned a lot on how to refine our business, especially within the circular economy space, and thinking through our business model so far has been a learning experience.
There's a lot that we have learned that has helped us to implement strategies on business growth. We have also been able to learn on what requirements we need, be it capital, what does our capex need currently, what are our costs, what is our value chain. So we are able now to sit down and know our business more internally than I used to know before.
We feel that if we can learn from other industries, we can apply it to our industry and improve not just our business itself, but also the industry as a whole.
We loved that this workshop gave us the opportunity to analyze the gaps in our businesses.
We want you to be part of our community. Come join us, partner with us. Let's hear your voice. Let's make a change. And you can follow us at growthafrica.com. And at the same time, you can also just read about the different things that we are posting through our partnership with IKEA Foundation.